Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out the SODOLA 5-port 2.5 gig Ethernet switch. Alright, we come inside the box here. It's got a nice little instruction manual there. Gets into some of the details. This you can set up on screen. You can go in and do a login management, go into your IP address. It addresses all that in there. Okay, first thing we have is this little plug-in cord here. So this is about 4 feet long there, so that's a nice distance there. And this is a metal fanless design, so it should have decent heat dissipation. Got the little vents on the side there. Without the noise of a fan. You can also mount this right on the wall with these little pieces here. A couple screws in the wall and just hang that on there. So that's super handy. And you're going to have your cord just plug in here on the front. So you can do your Cat 5 ports on here. We got 5. So one coming out of your router, just go right into here, and then you can hook up your network on these other ones, and you're going to be able to manage all that by logging in the IP address under there. So that's pretty handy. Yeah, you can run from your home computer to another printer to maybe a server or whatever that you got hooked up. So keep it all hardwired together. Eliminates people from hacking in as easily as if it's on a wireless connection or something like that. So pretty cool. Nice and compact and decent speeds on this thing as well. So yeah, has little lights on there that also light up. So nice handy little device for your home office or whatever you got going on. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.